Hola! Welcome to our Spanish lesson on telling time. In this video, we'll explore how to ask and tell time in Spanish. From basic phrases like, ¿Qué hora es? Or what time is it? To more complex expressions like son las 3:30 or it's 3:30. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to confidently tell time in Spanish and navigate daily conversations with ease. So let's get started. When telling time in Spanish, we tend to use es when referring to 1 o'clock. And we use son when referring to 2 o'clock hasta 12 o'clock. Entonces, we say es la una, son las dos, son las tres, son las cuatro, son las cinco, hasta son las 12. To express a number of minutes past the hour, E is added to the above, followed by the appropriate number. Entonces, to connect the number of hour to the number of minutes, we use E for these cases. Por ejemplo, we have here some examples. As you can see, it's 8:10 in English, 8:10. In Espanol, we say son las 8:10. It is 10 past 8, meaning it's 10 minutes past 8 o'clock. Son las 8:10. Another example is son las 3:05. It is 5 past 3. And for the last example is la 1:10. It is 10 past 1. The structure of these sentences is that we start with the number of hour. Son las 8:10. It's 8 and 10. If we're going to translate the first example literally. But its exact translation in English it is 10 past 8. Now for the next example, son las 3:05. Again, the first number here, right here, son las 3. 3 is the hour and 5 is the minutes. It is 5 past 3. It means that after the 3 o'clock, the exact 3 o'clock, it's 5 minutes already that is passed. And another is la 1:10, or if we're going to read it in English, 1:10. Es la 1:10. It is 10 past 1. Another example here is son las 8:20. Entonces, in English, the time here is 8:20. 20 minutes past the 8. Past 8. Another is son las 3:05. It is 5 past 3. Es la 1:10. It is 10 past 1. As in English, quarter past and half past are usually expressed with words rather than with the numbers themselves. We also have an equivalent for that. So if it's 30 minutes, we say y media. It means middle, half. Media means half, middle. And for quarter, we use cuarto. Yes, cuarto as in cuarto in Bicolano, but in Espanol, it's cuarto means quarter. Cuatro is different from cuarto. Cuatro is 4, cuarto is quarter. Por ejemplo, son las 12:30. It's 12:30. Son las 7:15. It's 7:15. So I hope you're not confused with this class, especially with the cuarto. So when we say son las 7:15, it will only be 15 minutes before mag 8 o'clock. Son las 7:15. It's 7 and quarter. If we're going to be literal with this. Okay? Next, if you want to express a number of minutes before the hour, menos is used in the same way as e. Por ejemplo, there will only be a few minutes before a certain exact time or hora, then we can use menos. If you can still remember our lesson about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, menos is used for subtracting, minus. So, por ejemplo, there will only be 5 minutes before 3 o'clock. So, you can say, son las 3 menos 5. It's 5 minutes to 3. Another is la 1 menos cuarto. It's quarter to 1. It means that there will only be 15 minutes before 1 o'clock. Cuarto is used here, right? Because 15 minutes is equivalent to cuarto. Es la 1 menos cuarto. If you want to specify the part of the day you are referring to, you can add to the above expressions. De la mañana, it means morning. De la tarde, afternoon. Or probably roughly until dark. So, meaning we can use de la tarde until around probably 6 p.m. until the sun hasn't set yet. And then de la noche is if it's very dark or after dark. So, but instead of saying son las 12 de la noche, you can say es medianoche. That's why in the Filipino culture, we say medianoche if we're going to celebrate, what do you call this? The food that we eat during the New Year. Yeah, you get my point. Medianoche, we call it medianoche. Instead of son las 12 de la mañana, you can say es mediodía, 12 noon. Instead of saying son las 12 de la mañana, we can say mediodía, middle of the day. And you cannot add fractions to midnight or midday like you do in Spanish. Half past midnight, las 12:15 de la noche, not medianoche y cuarto. Okay. Because medianoche, it's just an expression, not technically a number. That is why, instead of saying las medianoche y cuarto, you say las 12 instead. If you're going to be exact with the time, like cuarto, las 12:15 de la noche. So if you want to say at a certain time as opposed to it is, you just replace es or son with a. That is why if you're going to notice us Bicolanos, when telling time, we say alas 12, alas dos. Because we have our Spanish roots. So it's actually correct if you say alas 10:30 de la mañana or at 10:30 a.m. But if you're going to answer in complete sentence, it's advisable, it's more advisable to use es la una, son las dos. There are two useful expressions to remember. We have sobre, if you're not sure with the exact time, and en punto, if you want to be exact. Sobre las 8, about 8 o'clock. And if you want to be very exact, we use en punto, alas 2 en punto, at 2 on the dot. Okay, so let's try to answer this very, very short exercise. Let's practice your skills in telling time. ¿Cómo se dice 3:15 in Spanish? A, son las 3:15. B, son las 3:30. C, son las 3 menos cuarto. D, son las 3 en punto. 3:15. Okay, so let's try to remove all the incorrect answers first. Since it's not exact 3 o'clock, we can perhaps remove letter D here. Son las tres en punto, because 15 is missing. So D is not the correct answer. And how about B? Son las tres y media. In the previous slide, we've learned that media means half. So if you're telling media, it means 30 minutes. But we're referring to 3:15, right? Entonces, it's not the correct answer. What remains is our letters A and C. Son las 3:15 o son las 3:15. If you can still remember our lesson about using E and menos, E means end. Menos means you're reducing. Minus, right? So here, 15 minutes is cuarto. Are we going to subtract or add here? 3:15. Obviously, it's not menos. It's not C, because if it's son las tres menos cuarto, it means that it's 2:45. Son las tres menos cuarto. If we're going to get the numerical equivalent of son las tres menos cuarto, it will only be 15 minutes before 3 o'clock. Entonces, 2:45. Okay? The correct answer para primera pregunta es son las 3:15. Cuarto is 15 minutes. Quarter. ¿Cómo se dice 7:30 en español? Is it A, son las 7 en punto, B, son las 7:15, C, son las 7 menos cuarto, o D, son las 7:30? 30 minutes. 30 minutes here, entonces it's not cuarto, because if it's cuarto, it's 15. So, the correct answer obviously is letter D. Son las 7:30, 7:30. How about the next question? ¿Qué hora es si el reloj marca las 11:45? 11:45. Is it A, son las 11:15? B, son las 12 menos cuarto? Or C, son las 11:30? Or D, son las 12 en punto? 45. Entonces, we need cuarto. It's either A or B. It's either A or B is the correct answer. Now, 11:45. 11:45. It means that there will only be 15 minutes before 12 o'clock. Meaning, the correct answer here is 15 minutes before 12, son las 12 menos cuarto is the correct answer. Letter B, son las 12 menos cuarto. Okay, so I hope you're not confused with menos and E or cuarto. How is it used? If in case you have questions, you may reach out to me. That's our very short lesson for today. Please be ready with a very, very short quiz to test your knowledge about this specific lesson. That's it, class. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you learned something from this lesson. Gracias y ciao, ciao.